Okay, everyone, let's do this. We're gonna do a quick payment receiving, record it in the system. This is when you receive a payment from a client and you want to register that as a payment inside your system. Let's go to invoice management, and under that, you have really two options. You can either go to invoice payment, and from that menu, you can create a new invoice payment. So um, there you pick the customer you're receiving payments from, and the system will automatically pick their currency and their exchange and the exchange rate of the day, and then you can add payments for the invoices. The system automatically shows you what are the invoices with an open balance here. As soon as you pick any of these invoices, you see the numbers copied here, so you don't have to type again, making mistakes. But if the customer is paying a different amount, you can easily come here and put that correct amount here, and then you can even add notes. You can pick which payment method is used, but these payment methods, you can edit them based on your company's preference from the settings in the menu. So let's say they have made a payment via cash, and let's say collected by Alex, and I press save. So now you can add more receivings right from here. So um, let's say you have received a different amount from the same invoice or a different invoice, and you can do the same. Let's say I have received another $100, and this time from a credit card ending 6060. And here you go. You can change the date or anything really, and then you can see that that payment is added here. So this is one way to do that. I'm gonna save this, and if I go to the list of the invoices, you can see that for those invoices, payments have been received. So that's one way to do it. Another way is really to go um, again in the invoice list and pick any invoice that you want to make payments for. Let's say I pick this one. As soon as you see the invoice, if you scroll down, you can see that there's a record payment button here with an open balance. Click here, and it takes you to invoice payment detail. It has created a new record with the customer selected and everything, and then even the invoice is pre-selected for you, and you can do exactly what you did before when you were creating an invoice payment. So you have really two different ways to do it. I'm going to cancel this right now. You can go through invoice payment, or you can go to invoice list, pick that specific invoice, and record a payment right from within the invoice. Have fun. That's it for today.